Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today we are going to learn how to turn off Google location in Google Chrome. So friend, in this tutorial I'm going to share with you very simple and easy tutorial to do that. So first thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome. So friend, here you can see that this is my browser and we want to stop location tracing. Okay, so simply click on this three dot icon and now click on this settings. So friend, here you can see that this is my settings page, and here we are going to click on left side privacy and security, and then friend, here you can see that the site settings, you simply click on it, and now we are going to click on these locations. Okay, you simply click on it, and here you will get this type of option. You simply click on this don't allow site to see my location. Okay, so by this way you can easily turn off location in your Google Chrome browser. So friend, if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.